Here's a breakdown of the processes that exist here in the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. The initiating process group has 2 processes. The planning process group has 24. The executing process group has 10. The monitoring and controlling process group has 12. And finally, the closing process only has closing process group only has 1 process, for a grand total of 49 processes that exist within the PMI framework.
So let's go through these now that Emily has broken them down. This is a very quick cognitive test, and it's our first episode. And this is where we're going to ask you questions about the processes, but not in the conventional way. I'll show you a set of words and expect you to respond with the process that best fits that description. Are you ready? Here's your first question. Monitoring and controlling the entire project and generating work performance reports. I'll give you 10 seconds for each one. In each episode, we're going to seek to master just 7, and within 7 episodes, you should have all of the processes down pat as far as what they do for you and some of the things you derive from them. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer to this one is monitor and control project work. This is where you get work performance reports. This is where you are involved in the monitoring and controlling of the entire project. Here is your next question. When you see this, which process comes to mind? Deciding this is a boot arrangement, procurement strategy, make or buy decision. 3, 2, 1. The answer to this is none other than planned procurement management. From planned procurement management, you get your procurement strategy. And this is where you decide, is it going to be a build, own, operate, transfer? Is it going to be a design build, a design bid build, and things like that? That's the second one for the day. Here is your third question. Communicating information to stakeholders. 3, 2, and 1. The answer to this, manage communications. In managed communications, this is where we communicate information to stakeholders. As a result of this, you get project communications. Here's your next question. Developing team members through training, mentoring, coaching, and other means to ensure peak performance as a team. 3, 2, 1. The answer to this is develop team. It is in develop team that you are involved in developing team members through training, mentoring, coaching, and other vehicles. Here's your next question. Breaking down work packages into tasks. 3, 2, 1. The answer I was expecting from you on this one is define activities, not create WBS. In create WBS, we stop at the work package level. We do not decompose further. Some schools incorrectly state that the WBS is a list of tasks, but that is not true. The WBS is a higher level aggregate of tasks. So in define activities, which is in the schedule knowledge area, we break down the work packages in the WBS into even smaller components known as tasks or activities. Here's your next question. Planning, how to manage scope. 3, 2, and 1. The answer to this is plan scope management. This is where you plan how to manage all things related to scope. We get a scope management plan and we get a requirement management plan. Here is your final question for today. Assuring customers that quality standards are being met while carrying out quality audits. That word reads met, not meant. So let me clarify, ensuring that quality standards are being met. What do you think this means? 3, 2, 1. The answer to this is none other than manage quality. That's right, it's in manage quality that we are involved with assuring customers that quality standards are being met while carrying out quality audits. I hope you enjoy this episode of PMP Journey, page 25, Process Cognitive Test. It's our first episode, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you have not subscribed to PMP Journey, do so. Thank you, and talk to you soon.